Oh, oh goody. It's hailing. Yippee. More weather. So, anyway, no matter what, everybody's hungry. Let's go ahead and make some food. So, what do we got? Well, first of all, I was looking over those comments, and those of you who call me Grandpa, yeah, wow. You know, I'm realizing over the past year that I've been doing this channel, I started looking kind of old. You guys are right. Don't let it go to your head, though. All right. Food, what do we got? Well, we're doing more meat these days, so I got a pair of pork chops. Pulled them out of the freezer, salted, peppered, left them in the fridge for a few hours today. Oh, looky, it's hailing some more. So, I got a lemon. I went ahead and zested this, which of course doesn't show up. But if you look at the lemon, you can see it's got some bald spots. Use my handy dandy kind of thingy here. So, let's take a look. So, on the pork chops, we got salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and juice the lemon I've already zested. Yeah, I do recommend a lemon squeezer. And you'll note, we use the thing backwards. You see that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, and in we go. See? That's why I recommend a lemon squeezer. It just works. It's one of those rare pieces of dedicated equipment I actually suggest. Oh. Okay, that is some lemon stuff. I'm back. Hello. So, what else? Oh, you can't have food in this house without garlic. So I'm actually going to use a garlic press because I want a very intense garlic flavored mash. So here we go. Yeah, I know. All kinds of crazy stuff. Lemon, garlic, salt, pepper. Oh my heavens. I'm just breaking all the rules today, I know. Yeah, I don't know if you remember a guy named Jamie Oliver. He kind of did something very similar to this. He used to call himself the Naked Chef. He had some good ideas, but they were unconventional in a lot of ways. Okay, you'll notice what I'm doing here, which I can't show you very well. I am actually going after all of the garlic pulp. I want everything that got squeezed or broken or whatever in the garlic press. I want all of that in my sauce. And now, because of the weather, we don't have access to fresh thyme. So I have some of this stuff. It's ground thyme. It's a spice you can buy at the supermarket. We want to use a lot of it. Okay. Don't tell anybody I did that. That old guy habit. So here we go. I got lemon zest, lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, and a load of ground thyme. And I'm making mud. Stir, stir, stir. Here I am making mud. And it's actually working out quite nicely. Oh, that is very nice. I'm actually very fond of the ground thyme. A little bit of high quality, overpriced olive oil. And as stated, there's already salt and pepper on the pork chops. And so this lemon garlic thyme dressing would have salt and pepper in it. But as stated, it's already there. So that's it. Yeah, excitement, right? Cooking is easy. You just gotta sometimes just let it happen. So I'm gonna spoon this over, of course. So there we go. Oops, a seed. Even with a lemon squeezer, you get seeds. Okay, so let's do the other one. And that is basically it. Consider it an instant marinade, if you will. We're going to cook that up on our nice blistering hot griddle pan when the time comes. And then here's the fun part. Top it with a little bit of pesto. That's some good stuff. It sounds like a lot of flavors, and it is. So you don't want too much to compete with it. Keep your side dishes basic. I'm going to do some baked up little potatoes. You wash these off, cover them in cheap olive oil and salt. Throw them in the oven for about half an hour. And I'll be serving that with some green beans. Yeah, excitement. Plain, simple green beans. I've got sun-dried tomatoes. I got onions. I got prosciutto. I got plain bacon. I could make some very fancy green beans. But given what's going on with the pork chops, let's keep it simple tonight. So, that's it. Excitement. Quick marinated pork chops made with lemon juice, lemon zest, olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, and thyme. And those will be topped with pesto before being served. Ah, shake, shake, shake my cheap camera. Oh, hello. So yes, fortunately the hail seems to have stopped. Yeah, our weather's been a lot of fun lately. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe and all of that good stuff. And I'll clean up and try to look a little younger. Sorry about that. Thanks. Bye.